Hello, my name is Carolina Taylor, and today I'm going to be presenting on Walmart. I chose Walmart because it's such a large corporation, and so the knowledge about it is quite vast, and so we've all had kind of that personal experience associated with it, and so it's much easier to kind of research on a personal level and also on a research level. And so overall, here are kind of the main points you asked us to go over. So identity. Walmart is a large department store corporation. And so kind of their selling point is discounts. That's really what they're known for, and that's kind of what they base all of their kind of advertisements and, again, just that company culture around is that discount. And so image-wise, Walmart really focuses on kind of that family-friendly image, really utilizing families in advertisements, focusing on products that can be used by families, and then again, just kind of that family aspect. And so they also focus on very clear and concise information in their advertisements. When you go over their corporate webpage, what they really focus on is having clear information and making it easily read and understood by their customers, which is really a big point for them. And so overall, the reputation focuses again on having that affordable product for all demographics, whether that's different ages, different, not that race necessarily has something to do with it, but different genders, just kind of all aspects in life. So whether it's, a little girl or, an elderly man, they have kind of those items that really focus towards all or everybody, which is really key for them. And so corporate advertising and advocacy. I really couldn't find something that necessarily said corporate advertisements, but what I did find was this lovely advertisement, and I just kind of wanted to point out that again they have that family culture within their advertisement. So it really focuses on again that family aspect and really how their products can be used for everybody of all ages. And so they also really focus on their employees and then having good benefits. And they kind of show how their employees benefit just from working at Walmart, whether it's their, right off the top of my head comes to their different school situations. I have a best friend who currently works at Walmart and is now enrolled in their school of business that Walmart provides. So again, kind of that focus on their employees, families, and then again offering opportunities for their employees. It's really big. And so corporate responsibility approach, they have specific goals listed on their corporate responsibility report. And I thought it was really interesting how their goals are to be powered 100% by renewable energy, create zero waste, and then selling products that sustain people and the environment. I thought it was really neat that they include the environment within that. But again, it's kind of those actions that really make that difference. And so within that, for the employees, I found that over 30,000 people now have jobs at Walmart that did not exist 2 years ago. So again, offering those opportunities and really changing to accommodate the customers is really important. And then sustainability, which kind of ties into that waste and renewable energy and environment section. They really worked this year with reducing emissions and waste, which I mean is generally big in all businesses, but Walmart's really taken that on as kind of their main focus for 2018, which was really cool. And then supporting communities in disaster relief. Specifically, I noticed that within Emporia's Walmart, anytime any national disaster happened, they were all trying to kind of pitch in, whether it was a tornado or a hurricane, really having kind of that donation center set up and then kind of matching donations is really important. So that's throughout the entire corporation. And so relationship with media, one focus that they really have is in-store media, which not all stores really address completely, but Walmart really uses that as their key method for media in general. And so displays in the local retail locations, and then really kind of turning that asset of you already have that space, but turning that into further revenue with bringing that customer in and having them want to buy those products and actually getting kind of that money revenue from the companies that you're advertising, which is really big. And then legislation, I really kind of only know this locally. Federally, I couldn't really find anything. I'm sure there's information out there, but I could not find it. But I know locally, tax cuts are really big on just bringing in a Walmart and then having that land for the stores. Generally, towns kind of have a deal set in place to kind of facilitate that, not only for the company, but also for the community. So social media presence. Walmart does a really good job with using social media in crises. And so just kind of understanding that purpose behind social media and actually utilizing it is kind of the first big key. A lot of companies may have it, but may not facilitate it in the proper manner. But Walmart does a really good job with using the appropriate medium for the medium for the problem, and just really kind of addressing the appropriate issues, understanding what is okay to say on media, what should be, what shouldn't be, and then just really how to address it. And overall, Walmart is really good at affordable prices, marketing, being corporately responsible, and utilizing social media. But all of those kind of tie in to one giant section with, again, just being a successful business. Really attracting those customers is affordable prices, marketing, again, attracting those customers, and then being corporately responsible. That kind of goes beyond just kind of the immediate requirements, but really understanding how their impact addresses everybody else and trying to minimize the damage with that. And then utilizing social media, they're really great about that and kind of understanding what points to hit. And so again, that kind of ties back into that customer base and really addressing them in the appropriate manner. And here are my references. Thank you for listening.